Here we go. If I write here 12, for example, and I would ask anyone, Muhammad Mazen. Muhammad Mazen, can you help me?
Yes.
How can I find 12? Like, what number times what number is equal to 12? Any two numbers.
Uh, 2.
2 times?
2 times
Mm-hmm.
12.
2 times what is equal to 12? 2 times 6.
2 times 6.
Okay, that's right. It's 1 times what equals 12? You know, Muhammad, any number, if you want to get their its factors, it's like 1 and the number itself. So it's 1 and 12.
Okay.
1 times 12 is 12. Again, if I want to find other factors, can I do it like 3 times 4? 3 times 4 is 12.
Yes.
Now I figured out all the factors of 12. So the factors of 12. What are the factors, Muhammad?
Of 12.
What are the factors? All the numbers here. All the numbers. Can you tell me about them, please?
2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 6,
1.
2, 4.
It's better if you write them in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
5, 6.
No, there is 5. There is no 5. Check here. 1, 2, 3, 4. What else? 6
6.
and
12.
12.
12.
So how many factors now? 1,
12.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors. Okay? They are the factors of 12. Thank you. Muhammad Sultan, mute yourself, Muhammad Nizam.
Okay.
Muhammad Sultan, if I write down here 6, what are the factors of 6? What number times what number is going to be 6?
1.
What did you say?
Because the factors will not do the factors.
Yeah. What number times what number is going to be 6? 1 times the number itself. So it's 1 times what? 1 times 6. Thank you for that. I see you. Muhammad Sultan, can you hear me? Muhammad, raise up your voice. So 6 is equal what again? Can I do it like 2 times? 2 times?
2 times 6 equal 12.
I don't need 12. I ask you about 6. 2 times what number is equal to 6? 2 times 3. Okay? Now I wrote, I wrote all the factors of 6. So if you want to write that, the factors, oh wait. The factors of 6. What are the factors of 6, Muhammad?
6, 6.
No. If I ask you, I write all of them now. I wrote all of them.
1, 1,
Hmm?
1,
One,
and 2,
two,
and 3,
three, and six. Okay. One, two, three,
and 6.
and six. So they are how many factors? One, two, three, four factors. Okay. Okay. So now I wrote the factors of 12, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And I wrote as well the factors of 6. Ahmed Walid.
Yes.
Ahmed, what are the common factors between 12 and 6? You know,
Okay.
the,
Baby,
the factors
it's
of
1
12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12.
and 6.
The factors of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. What are the common factors?
It's 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's 1, 2, 3, 6.
Yeah, so if I ask you to find the common factor between any two numbers, you have to find out the common numbers between them, the common factors like 1, 1. Yeah, they are the
It's
same. 2, and down we have 2. 3,
3.
3. 4, do we have 4 up and down?
No.
No. Do we
No.
have 6 up and down?
Yeah.
Yeah, 6. 6. Factors of 12, we have 12 here. Do we have 12 down?
No. Like,
No.
bro.
So
No.
write down here the common factor, the common factors.
So 100%, if you're trying to find the common factor between 12 and 6, 6 is 100% going to be at least in both of them because because 6 times 2 is
Because 6
12.
is already factor of 12.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So the common factor, as you said, Ahmed, 1, 2, 3, and 6. Thank you very much. Okay. Now I'd like you to remember that. What are the even numbers? Abdul Mohsen, what are the even numbers?
Yes.
What are the even numbers?
The even number
Don't
is.
say I forget.
No, I didn't forget.
Okay.
2,
Start with 0, please.
0, and
The even numbers. Yes, Abdul Mohsen.
0,
0,
2,
2,
4,
4.
6.
Are you sure?
No.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
6.
6. Yes.
Huh?
8.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
10.
10 and so on. And so on. Can you give me example for an even number? Any
Like a big,
example?
even number.
Yeah. Like a number consists of 4 digits, for example.
I wanted 6 digits.
Like this one. 3940. Is this even number?
Yes.
3940. Is this even number?
Yes.
Why?
Because we have to look at the ones place, and so in the ones 0 is even.
Yeah, 0 is even. So this number, all the number is even.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Now I'm gonna write the odd numbers. Thank you, Abdul Mohsen. the odd numbers. And OS is like abbreviation for the odd numbers. Okay. Sattam, 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 wake up. Can you hear me? Mm. Faisal,
Yes, teacher.
how are you, Faisal? What are the odd numbers? Can you tell me, please?
Um, the one,
One, raise up your voice, please. One,
um, three,
three,
five,
five,
7,
seven,
9.
nine, and so on. Thank you. Rosin,
Yeah.
I want an example for an odd number
Uh,
of 5 digit. Any example?
21.
Okay, I need the 5 digits.
5 digits. From 1, from 1,
Like if I write this one, is this an odd number or even number?
odd.
Why?
Um, no, not all. 1 even number.
If you want to say this number is odd or even, you will check the first digit, the ones place.
Yeah.
Is it even or odd?
Odd.
Odd. So the whole number is odd number.
Yeah.
Okay, don't say some of digits is even are even and some are odd. Don't say that.
I know it from grade 1, I think.
From grade 1. Okay, can you please tell me about the prime numbers? Do you remember that?
Yeah.
What are the prime numbers?
When, yesterday,
What are the prime numbers first?
1, 1,
The prime number is any number has two factors, only two factors.
yeah.
Like what? Like 2,
Yeah. And
3.
1,
There is no pattern here.
yeah.
5, 7, 11. There is no pattern. 13, 17, and so on. And so on. There is no limit for the prime numbers or even or
Yeah.
any numbers.
Numbers
So why I say 7 is prime number, for example. 7. What are the factors of 7?
3,
The factors. What number times what number is going to be 7?
no. 1.
1
multiplied by
times 7.
1 times 7.
Is there any other digits to multiply to get 7?
No.
No, we have here only two factors, 1 and 7. Only two factors. So if you have only two factors for a number, it's a prime number. So 7 here is prime. What are the prime numbers again, Rosin?
Prime is
Yeah.
2,
Yeah.
3, is 2 factor.
Yeah. So the prime numbers 2, 3, 5,
5,
7, 11, 13, 17. If you choose any number from them, like 13, what are the factors of 13? Only 1 and 13.
and
If you
19,
choose
and 19, right?
and 19,
Yeah.
no, 13. What number times what number is equal to 13?
Nothing.
Nothing,
1 and
except if you say I write 13 here, 13 is equal to 1 times 13.
1 times 13.
Can you find any other digits to multiply to get 13? No.
No.
If I write, for example, 23, 23 is prime number as well. What number times what number is going to be 23? 1 times 23.
Okay, 23, yeah.
So it has only two factors, 1 times 23. Because you can't find, like, for example, 2 times what number is going to be 23? Nothing.
I think, yeah.
Okay? Thank you, Rosin.
But teacher,
Yes.
19 is the prime number.
What?
19 is the prime number.
19 is a prime. Yeah, 19 is a prime.
Okay.
Thank you. And you can figure out that by using division.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Now, the divisibility. What is the divisibility? Yusuf Ouda.
Yes.
Yusuf, remind me please about the even numbers.
Okay. 0,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Yeah.
3.
Mm-hmm.
No, 4
Okay.
and 6,
Okay.
8,
Okay.
10, and so on.
And so on. So note number 1, write it here with me.
Wait.
We can divide any even number by 2. Again, we can divide any even number by what?
By
By 2. Why? This is not number 1. We can divide any even number by 2. For example,
like uh 4 divided by 2.
4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So if you divide any even number by 2, you will find the answer without remainder. Okay?
Okay.
For example, give me any even number, Yusuf.
10.
I need a large one.
936.
936. Okay. 936. This one is even. Let me check. If I divide this one by 2, the answer will be without remainder or with remainder. I'm going to
Without.
check here in drafts. So if I make this sign, the symbol of division, and write 936 divided by 2, please help me, Yusuf, to find the answer. 9 divided by 2.
9 divided by 2.
2 times what numbers? 9 or almost 9.
2 times 2 times
4. 4. 2 times 4 is 8.
all right.
Okay,
4.
I write 8 down because I multiply here, 9 minus 8, the third step is to subtract, is 1. Then drop 3.
3
13 divided by 2.
and 2 equals 6.
Yeah, perfect. 6. Write 6 up here. Then multiply 6 by 2 as well. 12.
12.
Subtract them is 1.
1.
Then drop the last digit, which is 6.
16.
16 divided by 2.
8.
8. Perfect. 8 times 2 is 16. The last step is to subtract them. 16 minus 16 is 0. So we have the answer without remainder. So if I get the answer without remainder, that's meaning We can divide any even number by 2. Any even number by 2. Thank you very much. So note number 1, please write it. We can divide any even number by 2. Okay. Note number 2. Write it. We can divide any even number by 2. It's easy, easy.
No.
Ammar? Ammar? Okay. Talal? Abdullah? Abdullah Khalid?
Yes.
Look,
Yes.
Abdullah, note number 1, that we can divide any even number by 2. Note number 2, divisibility by 3. By 3. Focus, so I will ask you after that. We can divide any number by 3 if the sum of its digits is equal to as divisible by 3. By 3. What I mean by that, we can divide any number by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Okay, Abdullah?
Okay.
I'll give you example for that and you will help me. Example. If I ask you, Abdullah, 18, can I divide 18 by 3? You will say, Mister, first of all, I will check 18. How many digits for 18? 1 and 8. How many digits?
1 and 8.
So how many digits? 2. 2 digits, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you add 1 to 18? What is 1 plus, I'm sorry, 1 to 8? 1 plus 8 is equal to what?
9.
Yeah, so the sum, I mean the summation of its digits is 9. And we can divide 9 by 3, right?
Yeah.
We can divide 9 by 3. So we can divide 18 by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6.
It-
Without remainder. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Okay?
Okay.
So another one example, you will tell me if I can divide it by 3 or no. Can I divide this one by 3? 123 by 3 can divide it by 3. What should I do? I have to ask myself if I can divide this one by 3 or not. What is the rule? Abdullah, you have to add the digits of this one.
Okay.
Can you add them, please? 1, 2, and 3. Add them. Abdullah, what are the digits of 123?
The sum of digits.
Can you add 1 plus 2 plus 3?
Yes.
1 plus 2, like add plus here plus here. 1 plus 2,
3.
3 plus 3,
6.
6, right. So can we divide 6 by 3? Check from table 3. Can we divide 6 by 3? Yeah, we can divide 6 by 3 because 3 times 2 is 6. And we can divide 6 by 3. So 123 divided by 3 will be a quotient without remainder. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 3 divided by 3 is 1. The answer is 41 without remainder. Thank you, Abdullah.
Thanks.
Yusuf Hazim.
Yes, Mr. Mahmoud.
The last rule here, or the one before the last one.
Okay.
Divisibility divided by 5. Divisibility by 5. When can I divide a number by 5?
Divide a number by 5.
Yeah. Do you know? Note
Okay.
3.
4. Okay. So we can do 45 divided by 5.
Yeah. So what is the rule?
The rule? We can divide any number by 5.
Any number by 5? We can divide the number.
The number, okay.
Wait. The number by 5. F. Look at the word F.
Yes.
It's units
Okay.
or ones. It's ones is 0 or 5. Okay.
Okay.
We can divide the number by 5. If it's ones is 0 or 5. For example, give me any
0
number.
or
Give
5.
me a large number, please. We can divide it by 5.
900. No.
900.
Not just 900, I'm thinking. Okay, so let's
Okay,
do 530. 500.
No, I will take 900. 900. Can I divide 900 by 5? Let me check. Read the rule.
Okay.
We can divide the number by 5.
And 5, if it's ones, is 0 or 5.
Yeah, let me check 900. What is its
Okay.
ones?
It's ones is 0.
Yeah,
And the 10?
0. So we can divide it by 9? Yeah, we
Yes.
can divide it. According to this rule, we can divide it by 9 without remainder. What is 900 divided by 5, Yusuf?
900 divided by 5. Can you do the long division? The symbol.
Okay. 900 divided by 5.
Okay, so we're gonna take the 90 because 5,
No, 9 divided by 5, done. It's working.
1.
Okay, so 9
1,
divided by 5 is 1. And now 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. We minus. And
okay,
we put the 4 down.
mhm,
0. We drop the 0.
40,
And now 0 divided. And okay, now 40 divided by 5 is 8.
8, right? Then 8 times 5 is 40. Subtract
Yes.
them,
Now minus.
0,
It's gonna be 0.
drop this
Now put
0.
the 0 down again. And we don't have anything, so we're gonna put 1 0 only.
Yeah, so 0 divided by 5 is 0.
Okay.
So the
The
answer is
answer is
1,
180.
180, 80. So the
Yeah, I said
answer,
80.
yeah, the quotient without remainder now. So we can divide any number by 5 if and only if its once is 9 is 0
Or 5.
or 5. Another example here.
Okay.
Mm,
Do I
6,395.
need myself?
No. It's for example, only for example.
Oh, okay.
Okay. 6,395. We can divide it by 5. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Yusuf.
You're welcome.
So remember again, note number 1. We can divide any number by 2, any even number by 2, any even number by 2. So choose any even number and check if we can divide it by 2 or no. This is rule number 1. Rule number 2. You can divide the number by 3 if the sum of its digits, again, if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. I forgot to write it here. Is divisible by 3. For example, 18, 1 plus 8 is 9. 9, we can divide 9 by 3. So we can divide 18 by 3. Rule number 3, we can divide the number by 5 if its ones is 0 or 5. Okay? That's enough today about the rules. Now let me open this sheet to pick up some questions and try to answer it. Chapter 4 review. This one, it's page number 271 if you want to open it. If you don't want to open it, it's okay. Just read from my screen. Saad,
Yes.
can you read it, please? Number 1.
There are 9 showings of a flame about ending
Endangered species.
endangered species at the Science
Museum.
Museum.
Mm.
A total of 459 people saw the flame. The same number of people were at each showing.
Mhm.
About how many people were at each showing? Select the number the question is between.
Yeah, select the number the quotient is between. Select the numbers the quotient is between. So if you see the word quotient, of course you will do division. You will do division. And here as well, very important word, this word about. About. So you have to make round. Okay, Saad?
Okay.
459. Can we round it to the nearest 10 or 100?
100.
Round it to the nearest 10 first.
40.
No, 459. Round it to the nearest 10. Nearest 10. Nearest, where is the tens place here? 9, 5, or 4? Tens place. Hmm? 5, right. This is the tens place. So check the previous one, which is 9. Is it strong or weak?
Strong.
So that's meaning I'll give 5, 1. So it will be 4, and this 5 will be 6, and this 9 will be 0. So if you round it to the nearest 10, it will be 460. 400?
60.
Yeah. Now we're gonna do this long division. 460 divided by what? Divided by,
9.
yeah, the R9 showing here. Divided by 9. Can you help me, please?
Yes.
4 divided by 9. Can we divide it or we can't? 4
We
is
can't.
smaller. Yeah, 4 is smaller than 9, so we can't. So now we're gonna choose 6 beside 4. It will be 46. 46 divided by 9 is 5. Okay?
Okay.
5 times 9 is 45. Write 45 down here. Then subtract. 46 minus 45 is 1. Okay?
Okay.
Then drop the next digit, which is 0. 0, now it's 10 divided by 9 is 1, because there is 1 9 in 10. 1 times 9 is 9. Subtract it, it's 1. So remainder 1. Remainder 1. So the answer is 51 and remainder 1. So what are the numbers? The quotient is between. Can you choose from here?
Yes.
Choose, please.
60.
What did you say?
60.
I'm talking about 51. 51 is between what and what? Between 50 and 60.
40.
And 60. 51 between 50 and 60. You understand that?
Yes.
50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and so on until you get 60.